Hey guys, my trainer tip is how to boost your immune system while you're in isolation.
Sleep is one of the easiest ways to do that. Aim for more than 5 hours and less than 10. Look at your sleep quality and hygiene as well. Maintaining a healthy body weight while you're at home is also a simple and effective way to reduce your risk of illness. More vegetable intake will result in a greater source of natural vitamins. It's been shown that vegetarians have more effective white blood cells. Some oils have also been shown to impair white blood cell repair in high-fat diets, so reducing your fat intake might help as well. Drinking alcohol in excess can compromise your body's natural immunity. Instead, try moderation. You can still drink, but just not as much. If you smoke, try to minimize the amount of cigarettes you have each day or quit. Try to avoid prolonged vigorous aerobic exercise like push workouts. It can dry up your respiratory system and increase your risk of illness.
Cool. So most importantly guys, just try and find a routine that works for you and build that into your habits while you're in isolation. Hopefully it'll help you boost your immune system during that time. Thanks.